How are you today, Apollo?
I'm a little nervous. Is that a microphone?
For the robot, dealing with challenges of the actual physical world is borderline impossible.
But for us humans, it comes so naturally and so intuitively that we almost don't even think of it as intelligence.
You probably have seen all these amazing videos of specialized humanoid robots running, jumping, backflipping. The key difference in Gemini Robotics 2 is we aim to build a generalist robotics model that is going to add a lot more value if one robot can do a lot of different tasks.
AI models offer a way to navigate the messy complexity of our human environment.
The way to think about it is the brain, Gemini Robotics, is what controls the whole body of the humanoid, the delicate movements of the sharper hand, and the gripper, so the duo.
We focus on three main things for this release. The first one is whole body control. We are very used to move our body in a very coordinated manner, but it's not true for robots. Even though this feels a very simple task for us, but for robots, I need to make many decisions across the entire body to achieve this. The second thing is about dexterous hands, and particular manipulations of objects, way beyond just pick and place.
As a field, we're humbled by things like screwing a light bulb, where you're interacting with smaller objects, and those are really hard problems that we are trying to solve.
When we first came up with the trash bag task in particular, several people did think it was impossible. You don't think about how to drive 22 separate joints when you operate your hand, but that's what we're asking these AI models to do.
And third thing is in Gemini Robotics 2, we add a feature that enables multiple robots to collaborate to accomplish the same task simultaneously.
Hey, Duo, kit all tools in the bin, close the kit, and put the kit back into the bin. On it.
Each of these two robots is running that same stack. And so rather than having one neural network that controls both robots, each have their own copy, and they're each doing their own individual thinking, and they're actually orchestrating through reasoning.
Awesome precision, Duo. Keep going.
We're really after intelligence and generality. Being able to react to the scene changing, that is where the intelligence comes in.
I'm super excited about robotics. I think it's moving really fast, and AI is really the missing piece of the entire robotics puzzle.
It is quite exciting to be in the spotlight.